Hey everyone, Tessa here. First, I want to thank the company for sending me this rolling laundry hamper for my honest review. So let's dive in. In this video, I'm mainly going to talk about assembling it. So to be honest, it took me 2.5 hours to put this together. So just want to let you know that it does take a while and it may not take you as long, or it might. So I'm just going to go over some tips and things that you might want to just be aware of when you are putting it together, so then it'll make it a little easier for you. It comes with this installation manual and you can easily follow it. So here we go. We've got steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when I flipped over and I'm like, oh, where is this? Where are steps 7 and 8? What happened? But don't worry, it's right there. It's on the back. You can definitely put this together with these instructions. Just a little tip here, when you are installing D is the part that holds the drawers. So this is, here, let me just pull out the drawers here. This is D, okay? And I actually put it in backwards. So of course, you see right here, I put it in so this part was over here, and then of course I couldn't put the drawers in. So I had to turn it around. But before, when I had it in the wrong way, one of these bolts I just could not get it in there. I thought, okay, this isn't good. I'm not going to be able to put this whole thing together. And then when I did turn it around, all the bolts fit, which was really odd. But anyway, all the bolts fit, so I'm very happy. If that happens to you, just know that you might have, just make sure you put this in the right way. So then there's another part that I want to talk to you about too, the tabletop. So underneath, you see you just screw it in there. There are like 6 places where you would do that. It was going great, and then I came across a couple of spots where it was not totally lined up, but I still managed to get it in there. So you may experience the same thing that I did, where like bolts aren't fitting and things aren't quite lined up, but I got it done. I really thought that I was going to have to go to the hardware store and buy bolts that are slightly smaller, but I didn't. So it does work. So in case you have similar issues, it will work. And then finally, they do have this little bag here. It's to anchor it to the wall, but I didn't want to anchor it to the wall, so I never used it. So in case you're wondering what this is, that's what that's for. Although it took me a long time to put it together, I am really pleased with it. Very excited to use this.